Tonight on the CBS Saturday Night Movies, Jerry Mathers is back.
When did life get so tough? I think it all started when the Yankees traded Roger Maris.
20 years later, one of America's favorite families is reunited when the Beaver returns to Mayfield. And while cute children grow up to have kids of their own,
Don't you think we're a little old for reverse psychology?
still nothing goes right for the Beaver, and some things never change.
I'm still the Beaver.
The hilarious world premiere movie, Still the Beaver, next.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
that's wonderful.
Wally, come in here for a moment, will you?
Oh, hi, Dad. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my golf clubs. What are you and Eddie and Beaver doing?
Oh, we're just going into the kitchen to see what Mom's cooking for dinner.
Oh, boy, I'm glad I married her. She's always a good cook.
Well, what do you want, Dad?
Wally, do you know what happened to my toe chain?
Hugh Beaumont, a serious actor for years before the Beaver series, moved into directing many of the episodes during the last two seasons. In 1964, 1 year after the show went out of production, Beaumont suffered a stroke.
Well, they sent me home from the hospital to die, and I fooled them. It was a long, hard row.
He was one of the real positive things that came out of the show, and he's still a very close friend. I see him quite frequently, and yeah, a lot of people don't know that, you know, he's a very philosophical type of guy. He was a writer. He wrote a few books. He was a minister for a number of years.
That's what I thought.
And I think he was difficult at times. He stood up for what he believed in, and he's a great guy. He's a friend of mine. He's one of my friends.
And I believe so much in his character that it was difficult sometimes when he was directing us to realize, to listen to him as the director and then go into a scene with him as somebody else, as another person. And I enjoyed his direction very much.
Because Hugh Beaumont divides his time between Los Angeles, South Carolina, and Minnesota, he wasn't present for our original studio taping, but he did take time out from his involvement with community theater in Aiken, South Carolina, to join us in L.A. for our Beaver reunion show.
The very first time I worked with Hugh Beaumont was something that I remember about him the most. I was doing a religious show before I did Leave It to Beaver, and I had a cry in it. And he came over to me and he said, just put your hands over your face and laugh. And he said, and everyone will think you're crying. And so he's really the person that taught me as an actor how to cry.
Wally and Beaver were people. They were as much a part of me as my own kids.
What can I say? We got along, and he was the father.
He's terrific.
I did a good job. And that's it.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Hello, Mrs. Cleaver. Hey, when are we going to eat? I'm starving.
Hang in there, Blood. We're going to catch up with a rebound on the minute, Oh, I'm sorry. That was from another show. That was cool.
Just fine, thank you, Mrs. Cleaver.
Man!
Hi, Dave. Hi, Eddie. Hi, Wally.
Hi, Clara.
Hi, Lumpy.
Hi, Mrs. Cleaver. How are you?
Fine. You want to stay for dinner?
Oh, no, I'm sorry, Mrs. Cleaver. I don't have time. This segment of Two in the Town is almost over.
Well, thank you all. This has been... I never ever thought that I'd be sitting here with the cast of Leave It to Beaver, having this wonderful experience with you all.
It's a nice reunion for us.
We've had a good time being here.
Thanks.
Have you? Well, that's wonderful.
Yeah. Great.